All right, so we're back on this Honda, and I told you about all the leaks that happen on the condensers on these Hondas, the front shaft seal, and the evaporator. So let's see what we got here. I have it pressurized to 200 psi. It had a little refrigerant in it, and there we go, bingo. And I didn't even turn the fan on yet to blow it out. So of course, it's a Honda with a leaky evaporator, and Honda denies that they have a faulty component that constantly keeps failing on these cars at a higher than normal rate, just like they denied their front shaft seals going on their compressors, and just like they used to deny, and they finally extended the warranty on their condensers. So that was easy. We're at 270 psi. I was at 218 psi. This is over the last 10 minutes. It's dropped from 18. It was like 218.1, and now it's 217.2. So 9/10 of a psi in the last 10 minutes. 9/10 of a psi you cannot even read on a set of analog gauges. All right, I'll see ya.